So guys, for today's channel, mag-open tayo ng blind bag. Kunin na tayo yung blind bag natin. Ito guys, so mystery blind bag. So, nakalagay dito pangalan ko, grade ko, at yung teacher ko. So, ako nga pala si Kate. Channel nyo for today's, and itong bag natin, open na natin. So, ang nakuha daw natin dito is, you got rare. Rare, guys, rare. Let's open with the scissors. Scissors, get it. We open for the blind bag. In the blind bag. So, ang nakuha natin is stickers. 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 And second is fingerprint. Second is markers. Third is ball pen. The fourth is pencil. And the fifth is markers. The seventh is dummy. So, and the eighth is, don't forget, charm. Our blind bag is done, guys. Charm. May isa pa pala. Don't forget our toy. So bye. This is for today's blind bag. Bye.